Want a spotless bathroom floor in just 60 seconds? Here's my pro cleaning hack. Step 1. Use a microfiber cloth. It traps dirt 3 times better than cotton. No harsh chemicals needed. Step 2. Start at the corners. Circular motions lift grime without streaking. See how the marble shines already? Step 3. Work section by section. This prevents resoiling clean areas, a common mistake. Step 4. For tough spots, add a drop of mild soap. Watch it dissolve instantly. Step 5. Final polish with a dry cloth. Pro tip, natural light shows every streak. Done! Mirror clean floor in under a minute. No mop, no bucket, no hassle. Like this hack? Hit like, subscribe, and comment clean for more 60-second cleaning tips.